It's Saturday, July 13th, 5 minutes after 6 Eastern Time. We're on the CC sub at the 33.5 mile marker, roughly. Got a train coming finally. I missed one at about 11 o'clock this morning. I was pulling out of my place here and wasn't able to catch it in the next town and didn't want to spend another hour driving to catch it. The dog is triggered. Carter, hush, come here. Come on. He's getting into trains. He's a little over 2 years old and he's been looking for a train all day. He loves trains. So he's just about ready to show up here. I don't know what it is. I'm guessing it's the manifest going north to 542. I missed the 541 this morning, like I said. Maybe it'll surprise me. Maybe it's something else. Been no grain trains, no coal trains, and no ethanol trains yesterday or today. Since yesterday afternoon, just been two manifests, one each direction. So I heard a chatter last night before I went to bed. I think they've been working on the line somewhere. And here he comes. And he appears to be on the main. Not in any big hurry. He's got the bells ringing. He's on the siding. There you go. That's even better. He got out of the throttle just now. Slowing down. So what we have here is an empty ethanol train. Got a signal about a quarter mile ahead. We'll have to decide whether to keep going slow, speed up, or stop. And I believe he's going to stop at that signal. So this is going to be a short video. I've got a dog carrying on. He is coming to an abrupt halt. The dog is all wound up. Carter, it's all right. What do you think? You excited? Is that a train? Huh? All right, we'll see what happens here. He's going to stop. Unless for some reason he gets a green signal. If he gets a green, he'll pick up speed. If it stays yellow, he'll keep creeping along till the next signal, and that's where the two tracks go back into one. That's about 2 miles from here in Lynn. As long as he's rolling, I'm filming. I don't edit. I should learn how to do that one of these days. I think he's got a yellow. He's picking back up a little bit. I heard the defect detector 10 miles south of here mentioned 5, so he's got probably about 125 cars, 150, 500 something cars roughly. So he's picking up. So he's probably he's either got a yellow or a green. If he maintains his speed, it's probably a yellow. If he really picks it up, it'll be a green. I could have swore it was going to stop. I'm glad it didn't. It's been a rough day. It's hot, humid, no breeze, and no trains. Very slow. Unusually slow. So with 500 cars, he'll clear us. It takes about 2 miles worth of train to back all the way up from that last signal to here. I hope that makes sense to everyone. Buddy's getting used to the train. Come here, Carter, come. Now he decided to go back up. He's torn. Yeah, about 2 miles south of here is where the siding starts, so they diverted him to the siding. Told him to proceed slow to the next signal, which is right about a half-mile past here. That's right in the middle of the double track. And about another 2 miles past there is where they go back to one track again. He may just keep rolling on to the next signal. We may catch a manifest later on. Hopefully, if it shows up, it's before dark. The end's coming up. Not a bad train. Surprised there's not a buffer car on this end, but there's not. They don't need one because it's not up against the locomotives, but there it goes. Headed towards Cincinnati. All right, that's it. Thanks for checking it out. See if we got our rail fans up here. Oh, we got one. Carter, come here. Carter, come on. Come here. Come here and say hi. Say hi to everybody. Come on. Yeah, he was torn about the train. He gets excited, but he's a little bit leery, which is good. Come on. Come here. Let's see if I can get him a little closer. Come on. Come here. Good boy. Come on. Come here. All right. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. All right. Go up. Back up. Let's go. Getting ready to have dinner. All right. Thanks for checking it out. Have a good evening.